Exceptional flavours. Look, that's a real piece of fish.
Yes, it's not like mushed up.
No. Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. This is a very, very special review. I'm in Sheffield and we have come to Two Steps, which is one of the oldest fish and chip shops in the world. 1890, Jess?
95.
1895 in this exact shop. That is truly incredible. I said, is it the oldest? He said, no. There's a couple in London that were there from the 1870s, 20 years older than this, but they've moved premises since. This is an absolute relic. Fantastic. And we've stopped in to get ourselves a fish and chip surprise. And do you know what? I think this could be something really great review. So we've got ourselves a Yorkshire fish cake. And he said, have you ever tried Henderson's relish? I said, no. Apparently it's a Sheffield thing. So he's done me a pot with Henderson's on it, big in Sheffield. And I think it's like Worcestershire sauce, but I want to try it. Let's dive into that and see how we think. Apparently people like it on pies, but you can have it on chips. Okay, cool. Here we go. Yeah, I like it. It's like a spicier version of Liam Perrin's Worcestershire sauce. Very, very similar. Quite thick. Cool. Different. Not what I'll potentially have on my chips. Salt and vinegar. That normally does the job for me. Now, here we have a Yorkshire fish cake, which should be 2 potato cakes with a fish interior. Is that the right word?
Yeah.
Am I supposed to cut it or just pick it up and eat it?
Get it in your chops.
Get it in your chops. All right, cool.
Thick.
It's thick. It's heavy. How much is it all, Jess? I didn't pay for this, by the way, guys.
£8.
All of this?
80, I think, yeah.
Brilliant.
£8.
Here we go. That is absolutely delicious.
Really?
I've got the crunch of the outer coating, got potato, I've got a beautiful piece of fish in the middle as well, look. And it just tastes really good. Exceptional flavours. Look, that's a real piece of fish.
Yes, it's not like mushed up.
No. That's what I was expecting.
Yeah.
Like a fish patty, a manufactured fish patty, but no, that is a legit piece of. Love it. Two Steps. Two Steps in Sheffield. Oh, look, there you go. Established 1895.
Why did he call it Two Steps?
Because there's 2 steps. No, I don't know. Said there was some sort of army barracks or something. But what a cool name. One of the oldest fish and chip shops in the world, right here. What did it say on the thing on the walls? Someone molten a fried fish dealer.
Yeah, he was.
Fried fish dealer, they used to call him. How wicked is that, guys? You want to know where you are now as for takeaways, you've got to look into the future and see where you've come from. Absolutely incredible. Say again, Jess?
Look into the past.
Look into the past, sorry. Look into the past, see where you've come from. Absolutely amazing. I love this type of thing. Now, what else have we got here? Curry sauce.
Struggling.
Yep, as always. So here we go. This is the main. Hello, sir. This is the main review. I've got just a regular piece of fish. That's what they had ready. We've got the chips and the curry sauce. I don't know about you guys. I absolutely love a fish and chip review. I think it's probably my favourite, to be fair. I say that about everything, don't I? Here we go. Curry sauce. Curry sauce.
What have we got down you?
Probably grease. Chips. I've got a wonderful sort of outer coating to them. It's like a real nice, delicate little flavour to them. I'm not sure if that's a spice mix that's seasoning to it. I'm not sure. Either way, delicious flavour. Clover sauce is rich, really beautiful taste to it. Not too much of a curry. All right, about to get run over it. Not too much of a curry tang to it.
That's like the old school curry.
Yeah, it's like old school, regular stuff. I don't think this is gonna, like the chips for example. Good flavour. I could do a little bit more crunch. Each of their own. All right, batter. See, we've got little pockets of air in there. You see that? Little pockets of aeration, little slight blistering. However, is the coat style. Let's crack it open and see what the fish is like. Oi, look at that! Here we go. Oh, look at that flake. Oh my God. Look at the flake. Let's have a little chish in there and a little fit. Here we go. It's delicious. Sheffield. What do they call Sheffield? The Steel City. The Steel City. Up the workers. Look at this, look. It's massive white gold pieces of beautiful cod. Absolutely breathtakingly good. We're about to get run over it. We've got cars. Left, right, and centre. Try and get some of that on there. My footwork has been a diabolical today. That really is pretty good. The batter, it's not my style. I don't think it's quite delicate enough for me. It's got that, I'll show you, the thick style casing. Great on the flavour front. You don't quite get that textured crunch that I think I like. Students everywhere though. Bit like bready. You know what I mean by that, Jess? Mm-hmm. But you know what? Sometimes that does absolute wonders for the fish. Now, two-step. Try some of these. Just these now. Two steps fish and chips. One of the oldest fish and chip premises in the world. These are the forefathers of the fish and chip takeaway game. I want to give this what would you give it, Jess?
What did you do this to me?
What would you give it? You've seen, Jess, you've been here with me every step of the way.
I know, I've eaten here 10 years ago as well.
I think that, go on, you go first.
Like high sevens.
High seven.
I'll tell you what, I'll think about a pay now. I don't want it now, I want it for tonight. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Is this a top fish and chip shop in Sheffield?
Yes.
One of the best?
No, the best.
The best?
The best. Absolutely.
Oh.
Not in Sheffield though. In England.
I'll do food reviews on Facebook and we've come
I'll
here.
get that £5 off you later. Right?
Yeah, there we go.
Got that sandwich, make specification.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. That's right. It's all going on. All right, thanks for that.
They're best pork sandwiches as well.
Best pork sandwiches as well.
Gone past.
We've had
All
one
right,
of
we've
them.
had one of them.
That was breakfast, was it?
Yeah. Yeah. Right. So, what am I going to give this out of 10? Best in England? Not quite. You obviously hasn't seen the Anstruther review.
That wasn't in England.
Ice in Scotland to correct. For me, this is absolutely delicious. That is a special bit of kit. Genuinely. Hello, mate. All right. Hey up. I love that. Does everyone say it around here? Hey up. Hey up, lad. Hey up. Let's see if he responds. Hey up. What do you say? Is it hello?
Yeah, I think.
How would you say excuse me?
Excuse me?
Hey up. Excuse me.
Excuse me?
Excuse me, lad. You've seen fish and chip.
Stop. You can't do it.
Barnsley. Is that what you said? Hello, mate. Concentrate, Matt. This is top draw. I'm going to have another bite.
Sunshiny,
That is legit.
up and down.
Fish and chips for me, bang on.
Fingers at the moment.
Probably. That was so good. What you'd expect. That's it. I'm gonna give it a 7.3. You guys might be saying that's low. It might be a little bit low. However, I've been to some very, very special places. This is special in a different way. Special in its own kind of legacy. Bit of a legend. Bit of a Sheffield hotspot. Food-wise, I've had better. But this is still very cool, and I'm still very, very glad we featured it on the page. Thanks for watching, everyone. Please get in the comments. If you're watching on YouTube, give us a little subscribe and a thumbs up, please. And if you love Sheffield, if you love fish and chips, give this video a share. Thanks very much for watching, and that was a review.